Well, we're into autumn now, and some of the colours are fantastic, aren't they? Look at this mountain ash. It's the Sorbus randiensis, and it's just great to have autumn colour in the garden, and there's plenty of other things we can be doing at this time of year. There were violas in this pot last year, and they've actually self-seeded in the gravel down below here, and the little plants are coming up. You can just see them here, and if I just tease them out of the gravel, I can plant them up and I'll get free plants, free colour all winter. Tidy up pots and borders by removing the dead foliage of annuals and perennials. Don't waste the things that you're cutting down in the borders at this time of year. Put them on a compost heap. If you don't have one, make a simple one like this, just with a pallet. And it's important in your compost to have a good mix of things which are woody, like this, and things which are green. At this time of year, we're also still harvesting the last of the soft fruit in the garden. Raspberries right into October. Isn't that great? This is autumn bliss. But some of these raspberries are summer fruiting varieties, and they're long gone. These canes won't fruit again, and so I can take them out at the base.